Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter decisions with your hard-earned cash. Today, we've got a battle of the bots. In the left corner, weighing in at $229, we have the Eufy RoboVac 11S, aka Eufy. And in the right corner, priced at a cool $299, we have the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop, aka Tikom. Let the Robo Rumble begin. First up, let's talk price. Eufy comes in at $229. That's right, folks. You can get a robot to clean your house for less than a fancy dinner date. Tikom, on the other hand, is $299. For that price, it better clean my house and make me breakfast in bed. So if you're watching your wallet, Eufy takes this round. Moving on to features, Eufy is like that reliable friend who always shows up to help you move, but doesn't bring any fancy gadgets. You get the essentials: a remote control, charging base, and a single side brush. Tikom, though, is the cool kid with all the toys. It's got a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature, smart navigation, 2700 PA suction, and it can even connect to Alexa and Google Home. It's practically a member of the Avengers. So if you're looking for a feature-packed experience, Tikom is your guy. But do you really need all those bells and whistles? That's up to you! Now let's talk navigation. Eufy is like your grandma driving in the city. It's a bit random and might take a few wrong turns, but it'll get the job done eventually. Reviewers say it works well on most surfaces, but struggles with black items. Tikom, however, uses Gyroscope Smart Navigation, following an efficient zigzag path like it's on a mission from NASA. This makes Tikom about 30% more efficient. So if you want a robot that cleans like it's got a GPS, Tikom wins this round. Next up, suction power. Eufy is no slouch with its respectable performance, and reviewers appreciate its ability to pick up pet hair and litter effectively. But Tikom? With 2700 PA suction, it's like a vacuum on steroids. It can handle carpets and hardwood floors like a champ. Plus, it has a carpet boost feature that automatically increases suction power. Eufy, you might want to hit the gym. Control options are crucial in today's smart home environment. Eufy comes with a remote control, which is cool if you like pressing buttons. Tikom, however, is living in 3023. It works with an app, has voice control through Alexa and Google Home, and still offers a remote control. Tikom's reviewers love the convenience of scheduling cleanings and focusing on specific areas. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Tikom, you overachiever, you take this one too. Finally, let's look at some extra features. Eufy is straightforward. What you see is what you get. Tikom, though, comes with boundary strips to set no-go areas and an electronically controlled water pump for mopping. Reviewers have highlighted its efficiency and ease of use, especially for removing pet hair and daily mopping. It's like the James Bond of cleaning gadgets. Eufy, you're great, but Tikom is bringing the high-tech heat. Overall, both Eufy and Tikom have garnered positive feedback from users. Eufy is praised for its affordability and effectiveness in dealing with pet hair, although it may struggle with navigation and returning to its charger. Tikom, on the other hand, is lauded for its advanced features, powerful suction, and efficient cleaning pattern, although it may require some pre-cleaning and frequent emptying of the dust collector. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable cleaner, Eufy is your go-to. But if you want all the bells, whistles, and then some, Tikom is worth the extra bucks. Either way, you're getting a cleaner home without lifting a finger. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.